Here's a story I want to share with you. You remember those direct mail pieces that we all get in the mail and it says, do this, do this, do this, do this, do this. If you haven't received this one to get your free SOP starter kit, why not? Give me a call. Go to my website. You can get her done. Here's one I want to tell you. There was a shop owner up in East Texas. He had a bulletin board right above his desk. And he was praying one morning that he needed some help getting his business ready to be sold. And what happened was he had thumbtacked one of my direct mail piece cards to his bulletin board above his desk. And what happened was while he was praying for help and asking the Lord to help him, the card fell off the bulletin board in front of him. He called me. Within 6 months, we had his business ready to be sold. And by golly, he sold it, went into the full-time ministry, and is in mission today. So if you get a direct mail card that you want to call somebody about, don't forget to pray over it, okay? Because praying sometimes will bring you the answer. That's my shop tip for today. So if you get one of my cards in the mail, if you get one of my emails in your email box, open that sucker up and respond. I believe, and I know with a shadow of a doubt, I can help you with something that's going on in your business. Try me. It's Gary Gunn, 270-282-1262. Give me a call now.